Is CupCat refusing to install on your Windows PC like it is having personal beef with you? Relax, relax. Each time you try it, you get stuck on this installer dialog at 0%. Do not worry. You don't know what I mean? I mean this installer dialog. So, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'll show you how to fix CupCat installer issues and get it working properly. No stress, no hitting tables, just solutions. Hi, my name is Andy Frenzy and this is Sewer Talk. Welcome back and let's get right into it. So the thing is, each time I've been trying to install CupCat, it has been getting stuck at 0%. And I've been wondering, why is it like that? I have a good computer, I have very good RAM, the speed is very good, the CPU is very good, but I was getting stuck. So I lacked options. I went through so many YouTube tutorials on how to fix the problem, and everything was not working. So I was scratching my head and asking myself, why is it like I'm trying all these things and they are not working? I tried to change the DNS IP. It didn't work. I tried all sorts of things and ideas that were put out on YouTube, and things were not working out for my computer specifically. And I went through so many comments and they were saying the same thing. That relaxed me a bit, because I was like, yeah, I'm not alone in this. So I tried looking out for other options, but still it was on YouTube where I landed on a certain video and it showed me exactly how I could get rid of this. And when I tried out this Slack this time, please, that's why I always say do not give up and never give up. So it worked, and I'm going to try and show you how I exactly did the same thing and helped me to install CupCat on my computer. So this will help you also if you've been stuck and getting similar problems, also trying out different ideas on YouTube and they're not working out. This is something for you. So remember to give this video a like and leave me a comment if it works for you in the comment section of this video. So I will not keep you waiting. Let me dive into how I set up the thing and how it works. So all you have to do is to head over to Google, like you see. Head over to Google and type in CupCat Offline Installer, just like that. CupCat Offline Installer, and you get a lot of options. I've already typed it in, and you just click search and you get a lot of options. But I want you to go to this specific website called codecpac.co, like you see right there. So all you have to do is go to this and click download CupCat offline installer for Windows PC. You see it, version 6.0. Yeah, and then it will redirect you to the website and where the installer is. So all you have to do, don't care about the adverts, just scroll down. You see two versions right here. The system requirement is Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. So all you have to do is just get one of them. They are all the same. Just get one of them. You can get the one below that is 673, or you get the one at the top. They are all 64 bytes. So all you have to do, and remember, you must have 650 MBs free, because this is what the capacity or the weight of this installer is, about 650. If you decide to get the second one, it's 673 MB. So all you have to do is to go ahead and tap it, and once you tap it, you will get the installer in your downloads. And all you have to do, go ahead and reach out to your downloads and install the installer. And after installing CupCat using that specific installer, you'll be able to see this CupCat icon right here, the one which is showing CupCat. You just forget about this installer. Yeah, I mean this specific installer. It's not an installer, it's actually a CupCat icon that shows that you've installed CupCat on your computer. So go ahead and double click it and you'll be able to enjoy CupCat this time around. You will not get any problems whatsoever. So and this is right here, the one that you see. So yeah, it will redirect you to update your CupCat right away if there are certain if you have a good computer to get the latest CupCat update. So go ahead and update it, and if you have a login, go ahead and log in. It is the same CupCat, and this is how you can get rid of that problem that everyone and most people are facing while installing CupCat on their PCs. So I hope this video helps you out, and all you have to do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. See you in the next one.